Hello everybody and welcome to our fabulous flower of the month, Hydrangea, in July. We're celebrating the Hydrangea this month. Everybody loves hydrangeas. We were really fortunate earlier on in the year, in April, to go and visit a grower in Holland to get the inside story on how the breeding program is formed for some of these hydrangeas. The grower that we visited was called Nova. They have their own breeding program for the My Beautiful range. This particular hydrangea is called My Beautiful Alana. If you like to go onto our YouTube channel, we have a video called Inside Stories, which actually features our visit to the Nova grower and their greenhouses, which were phenomenal, I have to say, absolutely amazing. So there is a link in the description, and don't forget to like us, share us with your friends, and obviously still comment on what you think. Anyway, today we're going to put together a really simple hand-tied arrangement featuring this My Beautiful Alana hydrangea. I'm using some Potomac pink antirrhinums, or you might know them as Snapdragons, and some large Fatsia. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching us today, celebrating our flower of the month for July, which is our beautiful hydrangea. Keep watching for more inspirational ideas on arrangements including hydrangeas. Don't forget to share us with your friends and like us, and we look forward to welcoming you back to another one of our videos very soon. Bye for now.